Here's a shot of me sizing my nails to make myself a custom set of press-ons. I just made sure that I don't have anything on my nails. My nails are super clean, and I'm trying on the almond medium. You want to make sure the tip fits side to side, just like that. So it goes from each side and back to the cuticle area or nail fold, whatever you want to call it. This one seems to fit pretty good too. The next one is a whole other story. This middle finger, I'm right-handed, so you know, when you write, you get that little bump on your finger and it's really annoying. So sometimes you have to kind of figure it out. One nail was too big. Wasn't sure if the other one was too small. This is me. I'm kind of going back and forth on that same darn finger. Okay, I just gave up, found one good enough. I'm gonna have to file it around the cuticle area. And that's what I think is gonna have to happen. Which you can easily customize those after you get your set. When it's all done, see right back there, it's kind of big, but that is easy to fix. So I think that this one might be the one. Next, I'm searching through the box. It kind of takes forever, sorry. But I want to make sure I don't speed this video up, just so you can see how to get the perfect fit. I think you've got the point now. I'll let you just finish watching from here. Hope this video helps.